Hi guys, today in this video I will show you how to take screenshots in 3 different ways on Windows PC. No third-party software will be used, just follow each and every step without skipping. So let's start. Let's head on to method number 1. Just take the page you want to take screenshot of. Now I will open on-screen keyboard so that I can show you which button I am typing. I just click on the print screen button. Nothing happened. Now I will show you what happened. Just type on paint. Open it. Now click on paste button. The screenshot is successfully pasted here. Now how will we download this from there? I will also show you. I will show you the whole page. In the file button, click on save as. And save it wherever you want and in what name you want. The screenshot is successfully saved. Now let's head on to method number 2. The method number 2 is to first click on Windows button and then clicking on print screen button. The screenshot is taken. Now where it is saved, just type on pictures. Open the pictures folder and in the screenshot you will find your desired screenshot. There it is. Look, it is successfully taken. It is there. Now let's head on to method number 3. I will show you that. The method number 3 is easy. Just type on snipping tool in the search bar. Sorry, I have mistyped it. I will type it again. There it is. Open that and click on new and just scroll on to the desired area you want to take screenshot of. There the screenshot is taken. Now in the file button, click on save as and save it in your desired location and desired name. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and like the videos. Thanks.